Hello, Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sastriyakal. Welcome back to another session with your Wash Chef at Vareva.com. Today we're going to learn how to make cauliflower pepper masala. I'm telling you, this is going to be super awesome with nice cauliflower and pepper. And we're going to use not one, we're going to use 3-4 kinds of peppers in this. So first add some oil in a hot pan. In Indian cooking, what you add first and what you add later will make a lot of flavor difference. So in this, red chilies and then cumin, add chopped ginger and garlic. See, if I add onion before adding ginger and garlic, the flavor of the dish will be slightly different. So if you learn these kind of simple techniques, then you will be able to play around with a lot of flavors. And if you have the red chili slightly burnt, it gives a nice flavor for especially sauteed kind of preparations. Whereas for the curries, you want the red chilies to be nice and red. In this, add slices of onion. We don't want them to color, we just want them to be sauteed till they are nice and transparent. Add some salt. In this, add green chili. And we're going to add just 1 teaspoon of tomato puree and just saute it. This will enhance the flavor of this dish a little bit. Now the tomato puree also will dry out and still the onions will remain nice and crispy. In this we're going to add pinch of turmeric. In this add little bit of coriander powder, red chili powder, peppers, green pepper, red pepper. Mix this. And in this add cauliflower. This cauliflower is already boiled. It is boiled with little bit salt and turmeric. When the masala is nicely coated to the cauliflower, we are going to add some chopped coriander and then lot of crushed pepper. This crushed pepper is what is going to give real taste to this dish. Just mix this up. Once the cauliflower is also nicely hot and the masalas are nicely coated to it, you can switch off the flame. Now the cauliflower has fantastic flavors, not only coming from the onions, the red chilies, the peppers, the pepper powder, and also with a little bit of the tomato puree helps this become very tasty. Switch off the flame and just squeeze in a little bit of lime juice. That should be enough. Wow, this is good and ready to serve. Dear friends, very simple with lot of this onion masala, pepper and the cauliflower. I'm telling you, this is the way to eat. You can eat this as a snack, or else the best thing is just roll them in a fulka, rumali roti or even a naan, and I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy it. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this very simple cauliflower and pepper masala kind of stir fry Indian style. But do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. Thank you.